Hello everybody. How are you? I hope you are well. I am Amin. Today and in this lesson, I'll talk about the present continuous tense. So, I'll talk about the form of the present continuous tense and 5 ways to use it. First, how do we form the present continuous? Affirmative. Subject plus be plus present participle plus object. Subject plus be plus present participle plus object. For example, Andy is washing the car. Andy is washing the car. Conjugating the present continuous. Affirmative. I am drinking water. You are drinking water. He is drinking water. She is drinking water. We are drinking water. And they are drinking water. Remember, we can contract the subject pronouns with the verb be. Okay? So, I am becomes I am. You are your. He is his. She is she's. We are we're. And they are the. Okay, now let's have a look at the negative form. How do we form the present continuous negative? Subject plus be plus not plus present participle plus object. Subject plus be plus not plus present participle plus object. For example, I am not talking to Hannah. I am not talking to Hannah. Conjugating the present continuous negative. I am not drinking water. You're not drinking water. He's not drinking water. She's not drinking water. We're not drinking water. They're not drinking water. Okay, now let's have a look at the interrogative form. The interrogative How do we form the present continuous interrogative? Be plus subject plus present participle plus object. Be plus subject plus present participle plus object. For example, are you doing a presentation? Yes. Yes, I am. Are you doing a presentation? Yes, I am. Conjugating the present continuous interrogative. Interrogative. Am I drinking water? And don't forget the question mark. Am I drinking water? Are you drinking water? Is he drinking water? Is she drinking water? Are we drinking water? And are they? And are they drinking water? Now, we're going to have a look at 5 different ways that are very, very common to use the present continuous tense. Number 1, the most basic one. An action that is happening at this moment. An action that is happening at this moment. What are you doing? I'm watching YouTube videos now, in this moment, or at this moment. Okay? Number 2, an action that is happening during this period of time. An action that is happening during this period of time. This means the period of time in your life right now, maybe the past week, 2 weeks, a few months. For example, are you still practicing piano? You're not practicing piano at this moment, but practicing piano is something you do or have been doing in your life for a while. Okay? Number 3, an action that is prearranged in the future. An action that is prearranged in the future. So, this means you are almost 100% certain that this action is going to happen. For example, what are you doing tomorrow? We're going to New York tomorrow. We are going 100%. One thing about number 3, you might hear sometimes from your grammar teacher. You only use the present continuous if it's an action that is happening in the near future. This is incorrect. Okay? You can use the present continuous to talk about actions that are definitely in the near future, like we're going to New York tomorrow. But you can also talk about something that's going to happen in the distant future too, using the present continuous. For example, we are traveling to Africa next year. Okay? We are traveling to Africa next year. Number 4. Number 4. A temporary event or state / situation. A temporary event or state / situation. Okay? So, a person can be acting a certain way and maybe they don't normally act this way. It's a temporary way of acting. For example, why are you being so selfish? Why are you being so selfish? You are acting a certain way. You are being selfish. And it's temporary. And maybe normally you are not selfish. Okay? And finally, number 5, for repeated behavior. A repeated behavior. So, we normally use always or constantly. We normally use always or constantly. Okay? So, for example, he's always complaining. He's always complaining. He's always complaining all the time, regularly. This is a repeated behavior. Okay? And she's constantly helping people. She's constantly helping people. She's always doing this. Okay? She's always doing this. Always helping people. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you to understand the present continuous tense. Okay? This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.